There's only one thing I love more than beautiful donuts, and that's shiny wheels. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean them up real fast in the Hollow Wheels episode so you can get this filth off the streets.
You got a violation over here. Got a dirty car.
Today in the shop on Hollow Wheels Day, we got my 1993 Highway Patrol Ford Mustang. This thing's a beast, all right? Don't let me catch you driving dirty. I gotta get back on the streets, right? Because there's a lot of filth on the streets. This is gonna be a quick video. The fastest way for me to shine up these rims is Two-Face Wheel Cleaner, okay? This is a specialty deep cleaning gel formula that's gonna stick onto the panel here. It's gonna interact chemically with the brake dust and all the grime that's on there. It's gonna change into a purple color. So it's gonna go on this yellow color and it's gonna change to purple. That's how you know it's working, okay? It's really simple. I'm gonna show you right now. You just spray a little bit on the rim and you're just gonna let it sit. See how the gel just kind of sits? We're gonna pop some on here. And don't worry, just let it sit on the wheel. Now, obviously I keep my wheels pretty clean, but you can see in the areas that I don't, which are these little grooves inside, that it's turning purple. Here, let me get the body cam out, show you a nice shot of it turning purple and disgusting. Look at this, look at this. All right, you can see inside, it's all turning purple in the areas that have the most brake dust. Now what's happening here is you got a chemical reaction, okay? The formula is interacting with the iron deposits and all the brake dust through just daily driving. So we gotta get the filth off the streets here. So what we're gonna do, the only thing you gotta do is rinse and run. That's it. We're just gonna rinse it down. It's gonna clean this up and we're out of here. So I'm just gonna grab my torque snubby here, which is attached to our ProFlow pressure washer, and I'm just gonna blast the wheel real quick. And look at that, night and day difference already. Let me bust out the body cam. Look at this, super shiny, way different than the beginning here. And that's simply from just spraying the solution on there and then spraying some water to rinse it off. That's it. But I'll tell you what, we're not done there, because what I'm gonna show you next is you can rinse the actual tire as well. And then we're gonna grab our Total Extract Tire and Rubber Cleaner. This is meant specifically for your tires. This basically rapidly cleans, helps remove the tire browning effect that you get when you clean your wheels. It helps your dressings last longer because it cleans it to a perfectly clean surface to allow the dressing to bond to your tire. What you need is a clean and dry surface. You don't want to be putting dressing on top of old dressing or on top of dirt. You're just layering it on top of dirt. It's gonna sling off, it's not gonna stay. You use Total Extract to totally extract all the stuff out of the tire, clean it up really nice, and then you get a perfect bond for your dressing. Your dressing lasts longer and your tire overall just looks great. So all you gotta do, again, is gonna spray a little bit into this blue stiffy brush. We like the boys in blue. This is blue. Spray here. I'm gonna spray on the tire itself, okay? Put that down, and then we're just gonna scrub, okay? This is it. This is all it takes. Just a little bit of scrub in here. Give it a nice scrub, get that foam action going, spray action going. You can see all that dirt and grime coming off on my brush here. Let me get the body cam footage here. All that dirt and grime just on the brush here. So just keep that scrubbing nice around the wheel, around the wheel. There you go. And then what's left, once again, you just rinse the tire off. Here it is. Now I'm gonna quickly dry this with a microfiber towel to show you what's next. Woohoo, that looks nice. So now that we're all cleaned up, our tire is back to OEM. We've got a clean tire, we've got a clean rim. We're ready to bounce, right? But not so fast. We gotta get that shine on. So they don't call me Officer Overspray for nothing. I like the sprays, right? We got our Shine Logic RS tire spray right here. And this tire shine is a high gloss for all types of tires, okay? And it lasts a long time, especially now that we extracted all that gunk using Total Extract Tire and rubber cleaner. So this is gonna be the perfect bond for this guy. It's so easy, you just pop the top and you spray it just like this. Let's go to the body cam. I like to go about 4 to 6 inches, about this far, and you just kind of give it a couple pumps, couple sprays. If you get good at it, you can leave it on continuous and just spray around like this. Just make sure you're hitting the tire, okay? You wanna make sure you're hitting that. And that's it guys. It's that fast. Look at how shiny that tire is. We're just gonna let that sit and dry for a couple seconds, okay? Now, if you don't have time, you can take a towel, microfiber towel, and just give it a quick wipe down, okay? Let's go to the body cam. Quick wipe down here, just around to just even out the spray, okay? Even out that shine around the tire, okay? And there you go. You got yourself a perfectly clean tire, nice and shiny, ready to get back on the road. What I'm gonna do is grab a clean microfiber towel here and just wipe off the spray here that we oversprayed. I mean, that's my name, Officer Overspray, right? And clean up the area just dry the area back to shiny. My beautiful baby here, my patrol car. We're ready to rock, ready to roll, ready to arrest these criminals that are driving dirty, riding dirty, doing whatever criminal activity they're doing. We're gonna clean up the streets with this. Thanks for tuning in to the HALLOWHEELS episode. Chemical Guys Detail Garage, I'm Officer Overspray. This is my highway patrol car, and I better not catch you riding dirty, all right? Subscribe. That's the only way that you're not gonna get a violation ticket from me, okay? I don't wanna get any hot tips from some anonymous people coming over here. So, subscribe, like this, and we'll see you on the next one. Over and out.